Omnisend or Klaviyo, two powerhouses for e-commerce email marketing, but which one actually fits your store? I'm breaking down the real differences that matter. And if this helps, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss more content like this. Both are built for e-commerce, but they take completely different approaches. Omnisend is the beginner-friendly, all-in-one multi-channel platform with email, SMS, and web push baked in from day one. Klaviyo is the data-driven powerhouse with advanced segmentation, predictive analytics, and deep customization. Both integrate seamlessly with Shopify, but the experience is night and day. Let's get into what separates them. Ease of use. Omnisend is built for speed. Drag and drop editor, pre-built workflows, visual pie, portfolio management. You can launch campaigns in minutes without technical skills. Klaviyo has a steeper learning curve with more complex setup and stricter file import rules. If you're new to email marketing or want quick deployment, Omnisend wins. If you're experienced and want granular control, Klaviyo delivers. Pricing. This is huge. Omnisend starts at $16 per month for 1,000 contacts with full multi-channel features. Klaviyo starts at $20 per month for 500 contacts, and costs jump fast. For 5,000 contacts, Omnisend is around $90, while Klaviyo can be $150 or more. And here's the kicker. Klaviyo's February 2025 billing update now charges you for all active profiles, not just who you email. That means if you have 10,000 subscribers but only email 5,000, you still pay for 10,000. Omnisend is significantly cheaper across all tiers, especially for growing stores. Multi-channel marketing. Omnisend includes email, SMS, and web push notifications in unified workflows from the free plan. Klaviyo treats SMS as an expensive add-on with separate pricing. For omnichannel automation out of the box, Omnisend is superior. Segmentation and analytics. Klaviyo crushes Omnisend here. You get real-time segmentation, predictive customer lifetime value, churn risk predictions, and layered conditional logic that's unmatched. Klaviyo's reporting lets you track 18+ months of data with custom dashboards. Omnisend offers solid segmentation but only stores 18 months of analytics and lacks Klaviyo's predictive AI. For data-obsessed marketers, Klaviyo wins hands down. Automation. Both offer automation but differently. Omnisend has 40+ pre-built workflows, cart abandonment, welcome series, order confirmations ready to go. Klaviyo offers deeper automation with complex triggers, advanced conditional splits, and custom API integrations. Omnisend gets you automated fast. Klaviyo lets you build sophisticated, hyper-targeted flows. Email templates. Omnisend offers 250+ templates versus Klaviyo's 160+. Both have drag-and-drop editors, but Omnisend's editor is more intuitive, with built-in product pickers that pull directly from your store. Klaviyo's templates are more customizable but require more setup time. Integrations. Klaviyo offers 350+ native integrations, everything from e-commerce to CRM to analytics tools. Omnisend has 130 to 160 integrations, covering most e-commerce essentials but less extensive for advanced tech stacks. If you need deep integration flexibility, Klaviyo wins. Customer support. Omnisend is known for award-winning 24/7 live chat and email support on all plans, including free. Klaviyo's support is email only for free users, and multiple reviews cite slow response times and poor service after purchase. For reliable support, Omnisend is clearly better. Here's the verdict. Choose Omnisend if you're a beginner, small to mid-sized store, or want affordable multi-channel marketing with fast setup and excellent support. It's perfect for teams who want results without complexity. Choose Klaviyo if you're a data-driven, fast-scaling business that needs advanced segmentation, predictive analytics, and you have the budget and technical skills to leverage its power. For most growing e-commerce stores, Omnisend offers better value, easier setup, and all the features you need to drive sales. That's the real breakdown. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce comparisons. Links to both platforms are in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.